Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, overnight the Australian dollar took another challenge towards the bottom side of the 71.1525 area and at present has been respected. If we just move this line, we can see that the market has posted an inverted hammer, which is somewhat indecisive in terms of how the challenge is going, and therefore could actually see a reversal from 71.15 and may actually see a retracement. I feel though from this short-term base that the market may be rebounding back towards the top side here, somewhere around 72.30-35 as a potential target, and therefore could actually see reassess from there and see whether the market can break that level or retreat back towards that base. The euro plummets further after reaching its objective of 106.1025. The market looks for its next target, which was 104.90.95, and from there the market has respected this bottom side of the range. We are oversold, and therefore I feel that although my objective was reached, I did allow an extension to the downside, and that has been reached as well. So now I'm neutral at this level, and then see where the market leads from here, whether we go further south or we see a slight or short-term correction and back towards that 106 area. Dollar yen, well, the market's back testing that top side resistance, which was once support from this trend line, and therefore has been respected from 128.5 to 60. In light of the pattern, as long as we don't break above there, and I feel it's probably unlikely due to the fact that the technicals are still somewhat heavy, and therefore I am looking for a move away from that top side and looking down towards the bottom range around 125.75 and reassess. Sterling still pretty much on track to reach its objective around 123.80 to 124. In light of the pattern from a monthly, and going right back towards the dailies, we are oversold, and there is pretty much in terms of correction brewing in the background. So I'm not going to get that short towards, or bearish should I say, towards the bottom side of this range, as a correction is just around the corner. The market took the challenge at 191 for sterling Kiwi, but rebounded and posted a long-legged doji for indecisiveness, as the market's uncertain or indecisive in terms of taking it lower. From the rebound, though, we could see a small correction back towards 192.2040 area and then reassess. Gold tumbled further overnight and now very much knocking on the door at 1,878.82 after posting an intraday low around 81. A break of 78, however, would give further indication that the bears are taking the challenge lower to around 1,845 to 48. Finishing up with oil, well, a bit of a lackluster day. Overall, though, technically it's still somewhat bearish, and therefore I do expect to see the market take a further challenge back towards 97.40.60 area, and a break from there will give us further indication down towards 92.93 as a potential target. Well, that wraps it for the morning. Thank you very much for joining me, and please keep an eye out for the intraday report and the end of the day wrap.